Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook taro leaves. First, it's crucial to handle raw taro leaves with care. Always wear gloves to prevent skin irritation from the calcium oxalate crystals present. These crystals also necessitate thorough cooking. Never consume taro leaves raw, as they can cause an uncomfortable itchy sensation in your mouth and throat. Proper preparation ensures a delicious and safe culinary experience with this versatile vegetable. Once you've ensured safety, the next step is cleaning and preparing your taro leaves. Begin by washing them thoroughly under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. Carefully inspect each leaf and remove any tough stems or discolored sections. For easier cooking and a more uniform texture, stack several leaves together, roll them tightly, and then slice them into thin, even strips. This preparation makes them ready for your chosen cooking method. Now, let's explore effective cooking methods. The most important rule is to cook taro leaves thoroughly. Boiling them for at least 30 minutes is a common and safe approach, ensuring they become tender and the calcium oxalate is neutralized. After boiling, you can sauté them with aromatics like garlic and ginger, or incorporate them into hearty stews, flavorful curries, or creamy coconut milk-based dishes. Thorough cooking is key to enjoying their unique taste. To elevate the flavor of your cooked taro leaves, consider some excellent pairings. They beautifully complement rich, creamy ingredients such as coconut milk or heavy cream, which can balance their earthy notes. Spices like chili, turmeric, and ginger also enhance their taste profile significantly. You can serve cooked taro leaves as a nutritious and flavorful side dish, or integrate them as a key component in a more complex main course. Enjoy experimenting with this delightful ingredient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.